Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst use the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. The Microsoft 365 Defender portal, which is security.microsoft.com, is a specialized workspace designed to meet the need of security teams. These solutions are integrated across Microsoft 365 services and provide actionable insights to help reduce risk and safeguard your digital estate. So let me just quickly log on to the 365 Defender portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to this portal, and now from this portal we can investigate the alerts that are affecting our network, understand what they mean, and collate evidence associated with the incident so that we can devise an effective remediation plan. Well, the homepage shows you many of the common cards that security team needs. Incident and alerts, hunting, action and submissions, threat intelligence, and secure score, learning hub, trials, assets, devices, vulnerability management, partners and APIs, education and tutorials. You're seeing this education and tutorials, and you're seeing this because I am using the trial version. You can sign up for trial version on Microsoft 365 Defender portal and you can explore the capabilities of this portal. This portal, 365 Defender portal, combines protection, detection, investigation and response to email, collaboration, identity, device and application threats in a central place as well. Well, this single pane of glass give you the information with the latest activities in your organization. It brings together signals from different sources to present a holistic view of your Microsoft 365 environment. And it includes Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft 365 Defender, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps, Microsoft Defender for Identity. And if you see this option, More Resources, if you will click on it, it will show you Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal, Azure Active Directory, Azure Identity Protection, Azure AD Identity Protection, Azure Information Protection, Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Alright. So there are some roles and permissions required if you want to view the investigation data, if you want to view data security operations, and then if you want to manage it, you want to view hunting data, manage alerts and incidents, you want to action the center remediation, setting custom detections. Different operations require different roles, so please make sure that you are using the Azure built-in roles, and make sure that they are not connected to global roles in Azure AD. Okay, and you can manage the incidents as well, because Microsoft 365 Defender provides a cross-domain threat correlation and purpose-driven portal to investigate threats. Incidents are based on related alerts. Those are created when a malicious event or activity is seen on your network. Individual alerts provide valuable clues about an ongoing attack. However, attacks typically employ various vectors and techniques to carry out a breach. So in this incidents and alerts, if you will click on incidents, the reason I don't see any incident and alert because I have not onboarded a machine. So to use this machine, to use one of the test machines allotted to me during the trial period, what I can do is I can click on devices just to onboard a device, right? I will click on trials. These are the security trial, compliance trial, whatnot, right? And this is the learning hub that you will see, and then you can follow one of the learning paths to complete this basic training. And here I will copy the link and open it. To onboard a device, what I'll do is, under endpoints, evaluation and tutorials, I will click on evaluation lab. I'm going to click on setup lab. I will 3 devices. I can select my lab configuration. I can do 3 devices for 72 hours. I can do 4 devices for 48 hours each, or I can do 16 devices for 12 hours each. So if I want to onboard 16 devices, 1 devices will give me 12 hours each. So that is more convenient, right? So I'm going to do this. I'll do this next. I'm going to accept. Setup lab. I'm going to click on add device. I will go with Windows 10 first. Available tools. The following tools are included in the device during provisioning. You can choose to exclude tools from being installed to reduce provisioning time. These tools are not required for threat simulators to run. So I would want these tools to be included. Make sure you keep a note of the password, because password is displayed only once. It says 0 active devices, and my devices is being configured. So if you will see devices, test machine 1, it is getting ready. If I scroll here, I can connect once this is available. Okay. And now when you go back to your incidents, alerts, and when I simulate an incident or a scenario, then I will be able to show you the incidents and alerts here and how you can manage them. Well, incident is nothing, is a collection of correlated alerts that make up the story of an attack. So this 365 Defender automatically aggregates malicious and suspicious events that are found in different device or user mailbox entities in the network. Grouping those related alerts into an incident gives security defenders a comprehensive view of the attack, because through that incident, my security team can see where the attack started, what tactics were used, and how far the attack has gone into the network. Then security team can also see the scope of the attack, like how many devices, users, and mailboxes were impacted, how severe the impact was, and other details about the infected entities. Incidents from the last 30 days are shown in the incident queue. And then from this view, security team can see which incident should be prioritized based on the risk level and other factors. This was the starting video to show you the overview of Microsoft 365 Defender portal. When I'll simulate an environment, a scenario to attack, then we'll see how we can prioritize the incidents, how we can use the available filters, how we can preview the incidents and then manage incidents, how we can assign the incidents, set the status and classification, and then how to add the comments and incident tags. So there's a lot that we have to cover. So let this my lab machine be set up, and then we'll proceed further. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.